Are you feeling tired and stiff this morning? Well, let's fix that right now with my morning mobility routine. In this video, you'll stretch out your spine, your hips, and your shoulders, giving you more energy for the day ahead. Hi, my name is Dr. L. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and I've been helping people for nearly 20 years improve their overall wellness and reduce pain throughout the day. Let's get into this routine right now, starting with some breathing exercises. You want to sit up straight and breathe in through your nose. Hold and out through your mouth. And in through your nose. Hold out through your mouth. One more time, in through your nose. Hold. And out through your mouth. Let's move on to stretching our shoulders. You want to bring your shoulders up and back. This is going to stretch out the upper trap muscles as well as your neck muscles. Do a few more of these. And good. Now, let's stretch out that mid-back. You want to clasp your hands together and straighten out your arms and then protract your shoulders. Or bring your shoulder blades forward. Hold that stretch. You should feel the stretch in the upper neck, mid-back region, and through the shoulder blades. Now, let's stretch out the groin muscles. Bring your feet together. Bring your heels as close as you can to your groin. Sit up straight. Let your legs slowly fall down. You should be feeling a really nice stretch throughout the groin muscle. A few more seconds. Great. Now let's move on to stretching out the hamstring. Going to straighten one leg out, bend the other knee, bring your foot against the inner part of your thigh. Bring your hands together, lean forward, touch your toes or a little bit past, and hold that stretch. You're stretching the hamstrings as well as the low back. Now, if you want to stretch the calf muscle, give a little pull to those toes. A few more seconds. And switch sides. Now let's get onto our back. We're going to stretch out the glutes and low back. So we're going to bring our knee towards our chest and hold there. This is a really good stretch for the low back as well as the glutes. Few more seconds. Good. Now we're going to stretch our leg out. hold. You should feel a good stretch now in the hamstrings or the back of the leg. Hold for a few more seconds. And relax. Let's do the other side. Knee towards the chest, stretching our low back and glutes. Just be aware of how hard you pull. You don't want to go past a 4 out of 10 on a pain scale with any stretch. Good, let's straighten out our leg. Get that hamstring stretched. If you can't straighten your leg all the way, that's fine. As long as you feel the stretch, that's what matters. Good. Okay, we're going to bend both knees. We're going to bring our knees towards one side and feel a good stretch right in the low back on the opposite side. Great. Switch sides. Now we'll bring one leg up. Grab the opposite leg, bring your knee to your chest. Stretch out those piriformises. Good. And switch sides. Okay, great. Now, let's get onto our side. Grab the back of your leg. Pull back, stretching out the thigh, the quads, as well as the hip flexors. A few more seconds. And switch sides. Okay, let's sit up. Do some deep breathing to end. Breathe in through your nose. Hold. And out through your mouth. In through your nose. Hold. And out through your mouth. And into your nose. And out through your mouth. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my other morning mobility routine videos in the playlist. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.